In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple invoices at once in QuickBooks Online. If you need to get a batch of invoices out quickly and accurately, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, cleanest way to do it while keeping everything organized. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're using a company file with the invoices already created. It also helps to confirm that your customers' email addresses are up to date, since those will be used when sending. Once you're logged in, head to the Sales section on the left menu and then open Invoices. This page is your hub for outstanding, sent, and paid invoices. If you have a long list, use the filters at the top to narrow things down to what you actually want to send, such as open or unsent invoices, so you're not sorting through items you don't need. Next, select the invoices you want to send by checking the boxes to the left of each invoice. Take a moment to scan the invoice numbers, customer names, and amounts so you're confident you've got the right set. If you're sending a lot at once, you can use the column headers to sort by date, customer, or status to make selection easier. With your invoices selected, look for the Batch Actions menu above the list and choose Send. This option allows you to email all selected invoices in one go, which is a huge time saver compared to opening each invoice individually. Before anything goes out, you'll get a chance to review the emails. This is where you can customize the subject line and message to match your tone and provide context, like a brief thank you or a reminder of payment terms. Keep it clear and professional. Also, double check the recipient email fields and make sure everything looks right. If you need to personalize the message for a particular customer, you can do that here without leaving the batch process. When everything looks good, confirm and send. QuickBooks will deliver all selected invoices simultaneously and return you to your list so you can move on to your next task with confidence. Finally, track your invoice status in the dashboard. In the Invoices view, watch the status column for updates like sent, viewed, paid, or overdue. You can click into any invoice to see its activity timeline if you want detailed insight. If you don't see an update right away, refresh the page after a few moments. That's it. Batch sending invoices in QuickBooks Online, done quickly, accurately, and with a professional touch.